G'day, here's a small parcel of very bright, very reasonably dark lightning ridge seam opal. Material's on a nice dark base, so it gives you extra vibrant colours. I'll just zoom in a little bit to get a bit closer look. Okay, I've zoomed in, rules in millimetres, just to give you an idea. Just go through some of these pieces. I'm not going to go through every piece. Black base, dark grey underneath. Some of these are better than others, which is the name of the game. I think every piece has got some colour on it. This is a piece of crystal. Colour bar runs across there, as you can see. Don't forget, you can stop the video at any time if you want to have a better look at it. I think that gives you a pretty good idea of what you're looking at for your money. Even the piece that didn't look like it had much colour still got a bit of colour underneath it there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Good luck with the cutting. Cheers.